Can you believe it? You can learn Chinese from absolute zero. No memorizing, no writing, just by lying on the park grass. I'm Yesa from Untamed Chinese. We learn Chinese the untamed way, from scratch. When I stretch out my body and lie in the shape of the character Da, I keep wondering, what's the biggest thing in the world? As I look up at the sky above, I suddenly realize nothing in the world is bigger than the sky. Everything is covered beneath it. So add a horizontal line on top of the character Da, and we get the core character we're learning today.
特一安天天
Super easy, right? Next, let's relax and see how we use tian in daily life. In Chinese, tian can mean the sky above our heads, and is also used to talk about days and count days.
今天天气好好呀。
天气天气
刚才还是晴天，怎么一下子变成阴天了？
晴天晴天阴天阴天
下雨天真扫兴。
没事的，下雨天我们去喝老鸭汤吧。
雨天雨天
你怎么总那么乐观呀？
哈哈，天生的。
天生天生
今天想吃火锅。
啊，昨天才吃了，要不明天吃？
今天今天昨天昨天明天明天
Previously, we learned the character which can mean day. The character tian we're learning today can also mean day. So how do we tell and tian apart in daily use?
方案要在3月30日之前交给我。没问题，我过2天就给你。
Simply put, we use for formal, written dates, like dates on contracts and documents, as well as dates for hotel and flight bookings.
If we're just chatting casually, we'll use 10. For example, I'm going to travel in China for 10 days. By the way, there's no plural form here in Chinese. You just say the number plus 10.
Also, there's a famous Chinglish phrase, good, study, day up. The day here comes from the Chinese word 10, which means every single day.
That's the easiest part of learning Chinese. In one character, and you unlock many related words.
Now let's just chat casually. No need to study, no need to memorize. Just watch and have fun. Ancient Chinese people had no concept of the earth and did not know how big the world was, so they used the word Tencel to describe the whole world, meaning everything under the sky. Emperors in ancient times fought their entire lives for this very Tiansa.
天下天下
You've definitely heard of the monkey named Wukong. We use the word Tongtian to describe his power, meaning his ability is so great it can reach straight up to the sky. He even dared to challenge the Tintin high in the sky, the ruling palace where the supreme gods of Chinese mythology live.
通天通天天庭天庭
Today we only learned one character, tian, and we've mastered so many daily usable words, plus some little stories. See? Chinese is really not hard at all. Just learn 1 or 2 characters every day. Plant them in your mind like seeds, and they will take root and sprout on their own. If you want to learn the most authentic Untamed Chinese, remember to subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow.